welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the weekend vlog. Hey, why nobody didn't tell me today Friday we having a freak storm, so I wouldn't be on the people road driving. I am currently in Point Lisas, and when I tell all you it's been raining ridiculously, I'm not kidding. Like, I don't know what's going on. Lightning flashing here, thunder going on there, rain falling like crazy. Hold on, just running a little bit of errands with Dean, mom and his aunt. If you guys know, but Dean granny passed away. I didn't like vlog about it or anything. So Dean granny passed away, and tomorrow is the 1 year prayers. Tomorrow is a 1 year prayer, so his aunt from New York, she came down for that. So we're just trying to get, last minute stuff organized and all of that. Rain kind of ease up, so that's good. So I don't have any crazy plans for this weekend, so I will let you guys know tomorrow is the 1 year prayer. So yeah, I don't think I'll vlog tomorrow, and then Sunday I don't have any plans for Sunday, so this vlog mightn't be as long. By the way, guys, we're almost at 3k subscribers on YouTube, so yeah, I think we have like I think seven subscribers will make it 3k. So yeah, rain held up, so that's good. I think you guys bring me good luck, because as I put on the camera the rain started to ease off, so that's good. So I will chat with you guys in a bit. Hope that you guys are safe on this day. I mean, you're gonna see this on Monday, but I hope you guys were safe. So yeah, bye.
Much later.
Alright guys, so it's several hours later. I just showered and I'm gonna do my skincare routines. It's basically the same thing, to be quite honest, and nothing really has changed. So yeah, but firstly, time to see about my tattoos and watch last weekend vlog. I got 3 new tattoos. So when I got my spinal tattoo, the tattoo artist sold me this tattoo glue to apply to it. But this tattoo artist that I go by, one of my loyal subscribers, Aranella, she had hooked me up on this guy, and I went and I got this one done by him, like I think 2 years ago, as well as a perspective tattoo behind my calves, and he told me to use olive oil. So yeah, so I have olive oil remaining from these 2 tattoos that I did, but it was so long ago I decided to buy fresh olive oil. So I don't know, like something with the olive oil like helps heal the tattoo, or I don't know the fine prints of this. So basically I just apply it right to the tattoo, so you guys can research it if you want, if you find it's interesting and you want to read up more about it. But yeah, right now the tattoo is in the peeling stages, so it is itching a bit, but nothing overly crazy. This is the one on my rib. It says perfectly imperfect, so just oiling that. No, it looks like I'm going aggressively, but I'm not. And then this one here, this one means God is greater than the highs and the lows. So yeah, that's the oiling session, and the rest of olive oil I just rub it onto my skin. Time for skincare. I'm gonna go in with some retinol eye cream. This is by Rock. Coste Baja, 2.5%. So I waxed my upper lip today, so I'll just be ignoring that area. Exfoliate the lips. This is Cedrus B. face cream, well, night cream. So last step, lip balm, Camex. So that's basically it for my skincare when it comes to my face. This in here, this is, I have cocoa butter in here, and this is so ghetto. Like, I have a little hair clip, hairpin, and I just dig out pieces to warm up. Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot. So I dig out some pieces, so like that, I warm it up in the palm of my hands like this and apply it to my elbows and knees and anywhere else that I see I have like any dark marks that I need to get rid of. And then lastly, I finish off with my body oil, and that basically concludes my skincare routine slash body care routine. Yeah, so you see, go in, see about all over our body except our elbows and our heels and knees, and we neglect these areas. So try not to, this is a sign not to neglect your elbows. And then I have a little mark where sandfly bite me, so I'm just gonna apply it on that, oil down my entire body. And that's it, guys. Oh, I forgot one thing, perfume. So this is Victoria's Secret Bombshell Passion. I bought these in duty free. They had sale 2 for $5 US or something. So yeah, I have one here and I have one in my purse. These are so cute. So I will see you all tomorrow. If not tomorrow, because I'm not sure how much I might vlog tomorrow, I'll see you all on Sunday. So they're watching right next time while they
Nghe mẹ cái big big big.
So,
Sit down from
so when you cut it, then you paste it out.
Yeah.
Don't try it.
Yeah,
This is first
that's like
cousin.
me being big and you being a little baby. So, yeah.
Watch. This is cousins and this is second cousin.
Oh, hi. Hi. I'm sweating.
You wanna be on it?
No.
A few moments later.
They look at flood Barrackpore. This is my Sundar Popo house. So look how it flooded. Alright guys, so we finished, we leaving the press, it's 2:20. I didn't really get to show all the my outfits or anything. I didn't even take a picture of it. Rain and the busting down. When I'm going through a little horror story with the flood, but the press had almost finished. Thankfully the press finished, flood going down, but now the water rising again. So yeah, we now heading to drop food for mommy and then heading home, but the place like real dark and gloomy, so that's not fun at all. So I hope all y'all safe and I hope the flood didn't affect you guys. Alright, so the water in JB subside, so let me see if the markets have water.
Bye. Get out. Get out. Get out.
We're approaching JB market. I'm not seeing any water. Oh, the water gone now. Alright, so the water gone down, so that's good. Vlog, but firstly, before I end this vlog, I just want to let you guys know that we hit 3K on YouTube, and I am so grateful and thankful for each and every one of you who subscribe to my channel and join in on the vibes and the fun and everything else in between. Thank you guys so much to the new subscribers who decided to subscribe and just continue to show mad love. I appreciate each and every one of you, and to my old subscribers who've been here when your girl used to post really cringy videos. I mean, I'm not saying that I stopped posting cringy videos, I still do, but thank you guys so much for sticking around and just being here, showing so much love and so much appreciation. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that my love and appreciation for you guys come through this video and you see how much I truly appreciate you guys. I say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for every comment, every like, every view, every share. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your immense support. It truly means a lot. I could do something for each and every one of you, but in reality I can't. But don't worry, I am trying to plan together something in my head here, something, I don't know. Anyways, again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate all the love and support, and cheers to the vibes. Being said, I am going to end off this vlog. Hope you guys had a safe and blessed weekend. We'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay safe, stay